Module 7. In this module, we will be covering attendance, reports, and the dashboard. Let's start with the attendance. The purpose of this tab is to monitor, edit, and update employee attendance. This is accessible to the admin and the managers. Start by selecting the branch, department, position, and employee here. Now choose the dates between which you want the attendance information and click the search icon. You will now see the attendance information and all the punches with a variety of options here. You can add missing punches by simply clicking on the plus sign by the right side and then entering the time of the punch. Since you have manually entered the punch, you will notice that the location is not specified. Coming to edit, you can edit the time of the punch from here. However, the location cannot be altered or entered. When you click on location icon, you can see the punch photo and the employee photo accompanied by the name, shift, punch, and the location. It is up to the managers to approve or reject this. Moving on to geo attendance. Following the same pattern as above, select the branch, geo fence, employee, date, and click on the search icon. You will now be able to see the punches from this employee at this geo fence. Next comes the reports. This module will give us reports of all the employees from any particular branch, department, or position. The report type will present to you multiple options. Select your pick and move on to the next category. Click on Search. You will now be able to view the entire report in a tabular form on the screen. These reports can be downloaded in an Excel and CSV format. You can also change the filters and get personalized reports. These reports can be shared with any concerned party. Finally, coming to the Dashboard module. Dashboard gives you a quick summary of the employees and the current state of the company. The organization summary gives you a count of the registered branches, departments, employees, and devices. The attendance summary gives you a synopsis of the attendance for the current date in a pie chart format. You can double-click on each section of the pie chart to get a list of the employees falling in that category. Approvals will display any unauthorized punches which are pending approvals from the managers of the same. The next line displays the late in for the current day and early out, an overtime graph. The leave trend displays a bar graph representing the number of people taking leaves in each month and the type of leaves. Similarly, the leave analysis shows the percentage of people taking scheduled and unscheduled leaves. The dashboard updates the data in real time and gives the managers the flexibility to backdate and view consolidated information for a previous date. This brings us to the end of this module.